Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of the bright screens straining your eyes, especially at night, then you're going to love this quick tutorial on how to enable dark mode on Instagram in 2025. Dark mode isn't just a trend, it's a game changer for better viewing and even helps save battery life on your devices. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Head over to your App Store, update the app if needed, and then open Instagram. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That's the one with your picture. Now, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right. That's your menu. Tap on that to open up your settings options. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and then look for the Theme, or Display, section. In 2025, Instagram has made this even easier, so you should find a direct option for dark mode. Simply toggle the switch to turn it on. If you're on the web version, log into Instagram.com, click on your profile, go to Settings, and select the theme option there. It's usually under Account or Appearance. That's it, your Instagram should now switch to a sleek, dark interface. If you don't see the option right away, double-check for app updates or restart the app. Pro tip: dark mode works across devices, so enable it on your phone and it'll sync to your other linked devices. It's that seamless. I hope this helped you enable dark mode hassle-free. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.